and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. Tonight we are going to get started on tracing out the backs and cutting out the backs for the 6 gems that we are going to be setting into this piece. I believe that there is 2 pear shapes and then 4 of the teardrop longer pieces. So we're going to start off with the longer pieces so that I can make sure that we have everything all good. So let's get started. We have all of the gems. I made an extra one on each side just in case, but we have all these now, and we're going to cut them out, but we're only going to cut out on the outside of the black. That gives us enough room to be able to solder and file as much as we need. So let's get started on that. Well, now that we have all of these cut out, I believe next week we will be starting on soldering prongs to each of the backs, and then soldering the backs to each other in that pattern. I know that we didn't really get a lot done, but it did take a while, and I am trying to kind of break down this project with step by step to be able to fully explain how everything gets done. So this does end this episode. If you enjoyed it, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell. We did just hit 50 subscribers, which is great, and I thank you all for making that possible. I am now going to be shooting for the 75 and 100 subscriber spots. So if you could share this with someone that you think would enjoy this type of video. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Every little bit helps. But if you made it to the end of this video, which anyone listening to this has, say so down in the comments and make any suggestion. This project was actually a suggestion from another viewer. So, I read all the comments and I take suggestions as much as I can. And of course, I get to them when I can. This project has taken me a bit to plan out just because I want to make sure that I do it correctly. So, comments, suggestions, just right down there. It's that easy. In any case, I upload these videos, the Pendragon's Twisted Metals, on Sunday, and I upload my Knitting with Metal episodes on Tuesday and Thursday. Those are live events that if you follow me on Facebook, you'll be able to watch and participate in the live chat. But I upload those to make sure everyone is able to view them. So I hope I see you next time, either next week or Monday. Yeah, Monday. And have a wonderful evening.